Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm happy to see you here today with a new mixed media layout for the Hip Kit Club design team showcasing the October 2021 kits. To begin with, I cut a white cardstock with clear gesso to prepare it for mixed media. So I really wanted to use the chipboard nested frames from the embellishment kit and this beautiful exclusive harvest, which is paper from the Sweater Weather collection created by Kim and Kimberly. So I combined the two all simply by sticking chipboard frames on the back of the pattern paper, and then I cut the inside and outside of the chipboard frame. And I achieved this with several chipboard frames. I then placed them on my page to give me an overview of the project. I want to make a horizontal layout with the photo on top. So I make a frame for the photo as before, and I want more frame around to make a personalized and original background, so I still place several chipboard frames. I love this kind of frames in the kits of the Hip Kit Club, but I admit that I never know what to do with it. So I really wanted to look at this product and do something with it. So I thought of integrating it as a decoration and others as an element of my background. Here is my final setup of all frames. I will now apply gesso on the glued frames so that they blend into the cardstock. So, with a large brush, I apply the gesso directly to the frames by making circular movements. I make a unique background and in relief. I really like this effect. Before adding the other frames, I add underneath 3D foam and I distress the edges. I really fell in love with this flowery pattern paper. I could not use it, and that way I found it rather fun. So I will now add a little ink before gluing the flowery frames. So I use the Nouveau Crystal Drop Urban Pearl, which I dilute a little with water. And I apply the ink randomly without trying to do something sharp, just in a few places horizontally. The color of this Nouveau is just superb with golden and orange reflections depending on the exposure of the light. I love it and it works great with flower pattern paper. So I do a lot of splashing of the whole page. Once everything is dry, I then glue all the flowery frames. I then prepare the photo by adding just crumpled tracing paper underneath to bring texture and to blur the edges. It's the kind of family photo I love. It's a bit fuzzy, but I loved it so much that I couldn't resist using it. A photo that represents how our photo shoots and every time. So I then add cardboard underneath to bring volume once glued and the frame on the photo. I can now move on to decoration. I cut out several small flowers of the flower pattern paper to be able to add them everywhere on the frames. If I can, I glue the same flower that there is on the frames with 3D foam for a layering effect that I liked very much. I really wanted to recreate like a small flower field around us. So I then glue the photo in the center of my page after adding another piece of cardboard to add volume and for the photo to stand out a little more. I then add a sticker in the flowers and then the amazing stickers at the top of the photo from the embellishment kits. So I add the die cuts together at the bottom of the photo and over a chipboard. So grateful for our life together from the Pocket Life Kit. I then insert a lot of leaves cut out of the floral pattern paper to bring movements and volume too. And I add mini orange flowers here and there and glue all the leaves. So I then add some clear stickers to finish this decoration. I stick the blue stickers on a cardstock that I cut to stick it at the top of the photo and thus make it stand out. I also add two clear orange stickers. I then finish this layout with splashes of Nouveau Crystal drop and black ink diluted with a little water to harmonize everything. And here is the result. I hope this layout has you some idea for a future project. I love making it, and especially I love the very simple and fast background, but great graphic. And the color of the ink is just beautiful. Too bad it doesn't show well here. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a beautiful week full of creativity. See you soon.